Hello everyone. Today I will show you the machine rice plantation. The rice will usually grow by planting the rice paddy in a field. In earlier days, it will done by manually through hands. From this, the labor requirement will be more and also it will very time consuming. To overcome this problem, the machine transplantation will be introduced. Okay, let's begin. After 20 days, the rice plant look like this. Now it is ready for the machine plantation. If you want to carry this bed, you can fold it and carry wherever you want. Like this. The preparation of this bed we uploaded earlier. If you want, you can watch it. Now this will ready for the machine plantation. Basically, there is two types in the rice transplanter. One will be driving type and another one walking type. In driving type, the power driven by the driver and it will transplant 6 lines in a single pass. And in a walking type, there will be 4 lines in a single pass. Here we use walking type. It will transplant 4 lines in a single pass. The seed bed and dipped in a water, so the bottom surface will get wet and it will nicely slide on the machine surface. You have to put it like this. Now it is planting. The distance between the one line and another line will be 1 feet and this distance will be 5 inch and we can adjust this distance and this distance will be fixed and the thickness of this plant also we can adjust. Manpower required for this type will be 2 members, 1 driver and a helper. After 10 days of plantation, you have to use this. This is called cone weeder. It will also available in the Agri Help Center. This is used to control the weeds. You have to move this. Right. You have to roll this cone weeder in between the 2 lines of the plantation. The usage of this cone weeder will be, it will control the weeds and also the plant will grow very quickly. After 10 days of plantation, you have to roll this cone weeder. After 20 days of plantation, again you have to roll this cone weeder. The time required for this machine transplantation will be 2.5 to 3 hours per acre of land. The overall application of this machine transplantation will be, first one will be the labor. The labor requirement will be very less. Only 2 members is enough for this machine transplantation. Second one will be the cost of this plantation also very less. And third point will be minimum time required for this transplantation. And fourth one will be the yield will be very high as compared to the hand planting. These are all the main applications of this machine transplantation. Finally, if you have any doubts or you need any clarification, you can comment in the comment box. Please do subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.